So, Justin, what does the Commerce Department want to know exactly, and how are they prepared to get this information?
Yeah, so Commerce Secretary Gina Raimondo has said basically that there's a survey that they want all the companies that are involved in the supply chain for semiconductors to fill out. And what it'll help the government do is essentially understand where the shortages are, where the bottlenecks are, and if there's hoarding happening, if people aren't accurately reporting their sales, because they say when they get everybody in the room, everybody's kind of pointing fingers at each other about where the problems are. And so they've got 45 days to provide this information, but the sort of new turn is that the White House is threatening that they could invoke the Defense Production Act or use other tools available to force these companies to turn over the information if they won't do so willingly.
Is this anything more than a threat? I mean, this is a very archaic Cold War era national security law.
Yeah, but what's interesting is it's kind of gotten dusted off lately with the coronavirus pandemic. So they've used the DPA more frequently to address vaccine shortages. We had some issues with syringes and even the kind of ear or nose swabs that they use for coronavirus tests in the U.S. And so it's been a tool that the Biden administration's really sort of used more frequently, despite it being a little archaic. And so we don't know exactly how it would play out in this circumstance, but it is something that they have used more recently.